Welcome friends to SPN Consultancy. I'm back again with another useful video for everybody. I hope you will be liking this video, so do watch till the end. Our today's topic will be on the personal number. What is personal number? How to find out and what are the uses of it? We will all study in today's video with an example. Before that, anybody new to my channel, do like it, share it and subscribe it, and don't forget to press the icon bell so that any video uploaded by me will be notified to you. So without wasting time, let's come onto the screen. So let me take a new date today. The date is 15 date is 15 August suppose let me take any year. Let me take India's year, 15 August 1947. This is the date of birth of India. On this date India got freedom. So let me find out the personal year of India. So it will be a good example for everybody. So in this date, how to find the personal year, let me explain you that. As the date is 15th of August 1947, so we will add 15 plus 8 plus, in place of 1947 we will be adding the current year. So the current year is 2021. 2021 is the current year. To find out the personal number, so if we add all these numbers, so 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 1 19. So total number comes around 19. So if we add 19 once again, 1 plus 9, then the number is 10, so equal to 1 comes out. If we add 1 plus 0, 1 will be coming. So guys, if you want to take the screenshot, you just take it out, because I am going to rub the screen. I am giving you 2 seconds. Okay, so do not forget that we got the number 1. So let me clear the screen. So we got the number 1, which is denoted by the planet Sun. As in my previous videos I have already told you that number 1 is denoted by the Sun planet, and the Sun planet, what it denotes the new beginnings. So as the India's date of birth was 15th August 1947, so we can say that in this current year 2021, we are getting the number is number 1, that is denoted by Sun planet. So as we can say that we are facing right out the problems of corona. So in this year India got achievement in finding the medicines of corona, as we got the vaccines of coronavirus in the year 2021. So it was a great achievement for India, as it is denoted by the number 1 also. So we can say in the coming time also it will be a new beginning for India, and India will get a great achievement in this year. So that is a small video on the personal number with an example of our country India. So I hope you guys like it. If you like the video, then do not forget to share it and subscribe it. It's a very useful video. If you did not understand it, you can comment it in the comment box so that I can reply it back to you. As I have taken the example of 2021, you can find out other years also by looking at it. Regarding the planets, the numbers I have already mentioned in my previous video. You can go to the description box and you can find out which number is denoted by which planet. So thank you guys. Thanks a lot. We will be back again with another new video. So thank you so much. Goodbye and good night.